problem. Now I continue with that word problem again in this class. Okay. Now let me read the question first. In a building there are 8 flats and in each flat there are 6 people. Okay. There are 8 flats in a building. In each flat there are 6 people. In one flat there are 6 people. In 8 flats how many people are there? We will find out. How many people live in 27 such buildings? Understand the question properly. In one building there are 8 flats. In that 8 flats 6 people are living in one flat. So first we have to find out how many number of people are living in one building. One building, how many people are living? So once we find out how many people are living in one building, automatically we will get how many people will live in 27 such buildings. Read a question again. In a building there are 8 flats and in each flat there are 6 people. Okay, fine. In one building there is 8 flats. In 8 flats, in one particularly flat there are, see this is a building. Okay. You have 8 flats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood now? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is one building area I am saying. In one building how many flats are there? 8 flats are there. In one flat there are 6 people. In one flat there are 6 people. We have to find for 8 flats how many people are there. Then only you will come to know how many people will live in like this 27 buildings. Okay, fine. You understood the question properly now? First we will find out how many people are there in one building and next we will find out how many people will be in 27 buildings. So solution, as I said, it will be an answer. So what is the number of flats? So number of flats in one building we take. Okay. So number of flats in one building is how much? 8. Same thing, shortcut for number is NO double dot. Number of people in each flat. How many people are there? There are 6. So first we do multiplication now. So what is 8 6 are? 48. Got it? So total number of people in one building we found out. How much? In one building how many people are there? There are 48. Okay, 48 people are there. We close here. Now we find out how many people live in 27 such buildings. So what is the number of people in one building? It is 48. Next, number of buildings. How many buildings are there? 27. Now we have to find out total number of people in 27 buildings will be equal to how much? So I do the working column here, see. So how many people are there? 48 people are there into 27 buildings. First we do this in your working column. Understood? Now what is 7 8s are? 7 8s is 56. 6, 5. 7 4s is 28. 28 plus 5. After 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So you have 33 plus. So you got 336 plus 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So 6 plus 0 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. So how many people are living in 27 building? 1296 people. Okay, you got your answer now. So how many people are living in 27 buildings? There are 1296 people. They are all are living in 27 buildings. I repeat, in a building there are 8 flats. In one building there are 8 flats. In each flat 6 people are staying. So first we have to find out 8 into 6. We are going to multiply 8 into 6. 8 6 is 48. You got in one building there are 48 people who stays there. Next, we want to find how many people are living in 27 such buildings. So we are going to do with your multiplication part again by taking the number into 48. So 48 into 27, when you multiply in your working column, you get 1296. So how many people are there together? It is 1296 people. Did you got this? Next, the cost of one suit length is 2785. So the cost of one suit, you will take a suit, no? So the cost of suit length, when you take for a stitching, they will ask for a length. So one suit length is rupees. When they ask in rupees, your answer also should come with your rupee. 2785. Find the cost of 43 suit length. So solution, as I said, it will be with your answer. What is the cost of one suit? The cost of one suit length is how much? It is rupees 2785. So find the cost of 43 suit length. So we want number of suit. How many suits are there? First we write number of suit. Then we write into the solution there. So 43, right? So we will find out. Therefore should come with your answer. Here also therefore will come with your answer. 3 dotted will be with your therefore. So therefore total cost of 43 suit length is equal to how much? We do here the working. So what is the cost? 2785 into 43. While doing multiplication, you should be very careful with your tables. Understood, no? While you take your tables as well as your carrying part. When you are not doing your multiplication properly with your table part and your carrying part, then your answer will be wrong. So first we multiply by 3. 3 5 is 50. 5. 1 carry. 3 8 is 24. 24 plus 1 becomes 25. You carry 2 and you bring down 5. 3 7 is 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. 2 carry and you bring down 3. 3 2s is 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, fine. Next, we put plus. What is 4 5s are? 20. So you write 2 here and you bring down 0. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 2 is 34. So again, you borrow that. Next, 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 3, 28, 29, 30, 31. So you write 3 and you bring down 1. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. So you got your answer. Now you do addition. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 3, 7. Then 8 plus 1, 9. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. So what is the cost of suit now? The cost of suit for 43 length. So the cost of 43 suit length is how much? It is rupees. You have to mention your answer with your rupees. Rupees 1,19,755. This is your working column. Got it? So what is your answer now? Your answer is rupees 1,19,755. So here you have done with one time multiplication. Again you have done. So 2 time multiplication came here. Whereas here directly you are going with your cost of the suit length. Next, participant, there will be more than one. So here the number of participants are 35. In the race, find the total distance covered by all the cars. So for one car, it is covering 3265 kilometer means. For 35 participants, what is the distance covered? So when your question is with your kilometer, the answer also should come with your kilometer. When you are writing your solution, you have to go with your story also, not just writing your answer. So in your question only you are framing your answer there. So first, when they ask to cover kilometer means always remember when you are walking or distance we say it as. So kilometer comes with your distance. See, distance. Everything will be in your question part. Same thing you will be going with your solution, that's it. Distance covered by one car. How much is the distance covered by one car is 3265 kilometers. Right? So what is the number of participants? So number of participants are how much? There are 35. So therefore we are going to find, I said you 3 dotted will be the therefore the total distance covered by all the cars is how much? Again we go with your multiplication part. I am doing the working here, just look there. It is 3265 into 35. Okay, fine. Now we do with your multiplication. 5 5s are 25. To carry, you bring down 5. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 becomes 16. Next, you have to put plus. Don't continue here only. First you have to take plus. 3 5s are 50. 1 carry. 3 6s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 1 carry. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So no need to carry. 3 3s are 9. So we do with your addition part. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 9 plus 3, 12. 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. Or 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1 becomes 11. Understood? So what is your answer now? It is 1,14,275 kilometers. Okay. The total distance covered by all the cars together. How many cars? 35 cars are 1,14,275 kilometers. Got it? This is your answer. You do with your working column neatly, then only you will understand. Without working, you can't write with your direct answer. The last sum of your story sum is here. Mr. Das deposits rupees 750 every month in a bank. Okay, every month he will go and put into his account how much? Rupees 750. How much does he deposit in 6 years? See, in 1 month always he goes to bank. In 1 month he will put how much rupees there. He will deposit, not how much money it will become, how much he will deposit there. He is going to deposit rupees 750 in 1 month. So like that for 6 years how much he is going to deposit there. So solution. So what is depositing there? Amount, right? Same thing will come with your solution. When he is putting the cash, we will say it as amount. Amount deposited by who? By Mr. Das is how much? Rupees 750. Okay. Number of years? How much years? For 6 years. Shortcut YRS. Therefore, total amount deposited by Mr. Das in 6 years is equal to how much? So we do the working column here. How much? 750 into 6. Just one number there. It will be very easy. 6 zeros are 0. 6 fives are 33 and 0. 6 sevens are 42. 42 plus 3. How much? 45. So how much is deposited there? 750 into 6 years, right? But here listen. For 1 year, how many months are there? For 1 year, there is 12 months. For 6 years? For 6 years, how much it will become? For 6 years, how much it will become now? So, 12 into 6. Okay? There is a correction here. He is asked for 6 years, right? For 1 year, there is 12 months. For 6 years, how many months are there? 6 twos are 12, 1 carry. 6 ones are 6 plus 1 becomes 7. So total it is how much now? 72 months. So for 72 months, we are going to calculate rupees 750. Got it? He is deposited every month. So in 1 month, he is deposited 750 means for 6 years. So 6 years means how many months will come? 72 months will come. For 72, we are going to calculate. Okay? So 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10, 1 carry, 2 sevens are 14 plus 1 becomes 15. 7 zeros are 0, 7 fives are 35, 7 sevens are 49, 50, 51, 52. So 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So, how much is deposited there? Rupees 54,000. Okay. Make a correction. I did 2 wrong there. See it again. Amount deposited by Mr. Das is 750 in one particular month. For 6 years there was. So first we will convert 6 years into the months. So 12 6 will become 72. Okay, fine. For 72 months we are going to multiply 750. So 750 into 72 will become rupees 54,000. So how much is deposited in the bank? For 6 years is deposited 54,000. Got it? Got it or not? Okay, let me stop till here. Next class I will be continuing with your next minute. Thank you.